Do you know what's hiding in your closet? Hi, my name is Ananya. I'm a fashion designer, and today we are going to dive deep into the world of sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion isn't just about being eco-friendly, it's about style, ethics, and making a positive impact. To understand why sustainable fashion is important, it's important for us to understand what are the problems with the fashion industry in today's time. So, as we know, textile industry is the second most polluting industry. Now let's look at what, how, and who is responsible for this. Fast fashion industry is highly responsible for the damage. Now let's see how. First and the most major problem is overproduction. These overproduced pieces goes unsold and ends up in landfills. According to a source, an investigation shows that 3/4 of the garment ends up in landfills, which is scary. To the point number 2. Fast fashion is known for coming up with the new trendy designs, which is also very short-lived. So these garments are not really worn to its full potential because it is already running out of trend now. Point number 3 is its quality. Fast fashion brands, in order to produce clothes at a low cost, use cheap raw materials, which is neither good for our skin and it won't have that longevity, so you can't really wear it for too long. But one thing we should always remember, that someone somewhere is paying for it. So let's check who is suffering in this process. Our garment workers. In case you are wondering, your international brands are producing clothes in their respective countries, then let me correct you there. These garments are mostly produced in developing countries. They are produced in tiny workshops which has a bad infrastructure, they don't have any labor rights, and they don't even get a fair wage. A source tells that they use child labor, forced labor, and they exploit women. This may not be situation everywhere, but if it's happening, these fast fashion brands are solely responsible for it and they are just neglecting it. One suffering the most in this process is the planet. Over 100 billion pieces are produced each year, out of which 92 million pieces end up in landfills, which is a major problem. This is only degrading quality of life on Earth and our own existence. That's it for today. I'll be doing this video in segments, so the next part is going to be about the solution. Till then, see you. Save the planet, love yourself.